Hello, my name is Sasha Hawatpal. I'm the Director of Brand Development at Arminco Inc. I'm here with Archon Safarian, President and CEO of Arminco Inc. And we're actually here to talk about a very important topic. What is design? It's a question I get all the time. It's a question I'm sure Art gets all the time. Let's just kick it off. Art, what in your mind is design? How would you describe it?
To me, design is a plan of accomplishing a vision, an overall vision, by the use of specifications, materials, and most importantly, a design, you want to bring in the methods, procedures, and process of accomplishing that vision. And I think that is a very important factor. A lot of people don't see it that way. A lot of people miss it.
I agree.
A lot of actually people in our industry, even designers, architects, they forget it. They just put a design together with some materials and colors, and they're like, here you go, build it, right? But in reality, without having the methods, the process, the procedures in building it, it becomes a challenge. I mean, how many times do we get yourself, how many times you get a floor plan where a client comes to you and gives you a floor plan and says, my plan is done, I want you to design it, right?
More times than I'd like to admit it. And the problem with people, it happens more often than I'd like to, but like I said, people come up to me, they say, hey, I've got a floor plan, make this look pretty. Listen, we can do that. That's obviously, it's within our forte. But to be true interior design, to start from the beginning, which is the floor plan, and working it all the way to the end. Your patient flow is critical, your operatory sizing, your cabinetry locations, all of these are so critical as part of the interior design. So me personally, or my team, when we're handling interior design, I need to get on the ground floor. I gotta be in the beginning. I see so many nightmare stories of tiny operatories and huge check-ins, tiny checkouts.
Well, it's understanding the whole picture for the client's perspective, and I think that's what sets us apart here at Arminco is the fact that when we're doing it, we train our team, we train our designers. You and I have been training our designers
Absolutely.
to
Every
think
day.
practical, think construction, think buildability, so that it's anything that they're designing can be easily converted into the construction side. And another thing we have that's definitely an advantage over any other architect designers out there is we have a construction team. Our project managers are sitting maybe a foot away from the designers.
Oh yeah.
So if something needs to be looked at from the beginning, they look at it, and once it's on the paper, once it's planned out, then they can transfer it and make it into reality, and it's an easier process. I mean, I preach it all the time. Planning is the key. If you plan it properly, things go very smooth.
Yeah, absolutely. With proper planning, you avoid delays, change orders, and headaches, unnecessary headaches, trying to piece things together. So I think Art nailed it on the head. The difference between interior design and interior decorating is a process, clear-cut process that we know works, that we guarantee you will get your project finished on time, within budget, and have patients walking through the door as soon as possible.